A and B are integers, a cubed minus b cubed all over a squared minus b squared equal to 1, then we want to find a and b. So in first step, we cross multiply, or we can say we multiply both sides by a squared minus b squared. Left hand side will be a cubed minus b cubed. Right hand side will be a squared minus b squared. Now we want to factorize. For factorizing, you should know two famous identities. The first one, a squared minus b squared, is a minus b times a plus b, and a cubed minus b cubed equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. For this part, we need to use these two identities. So left hand side will be a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, and the right hand side will be a minus b times a plus b. So focus on both sides. We have something in common. Yes, we have a minus b in common. So we should consider two cases. If we want to divide by a minus b shouldn't be 0. So first case, we consider if a minus b equal to 0 means a equal to b. But the denominator is bad. The denominator will be 0 here. So we shouldn't check this case. In second case, a minus b is not 0. Now we can divide this part, this equation, by a minus b. Left hand side will be a squared plus ab plus b squared. Right hand side is ab, a plus. Now let's see what can we do. If we take all things to left hand side, then we have a squared plus ab plus b squared minus a minus b equal to 0. Then we multiply by 2, it will be 2a squared plus 2ab plus 2b squared minus 2a minus 2b equal to 0. Now, maybe you ask why we multiplied by 2. You should know two important and useful identities. That's x plus y squared equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, x minus y squared. Here you can also say if it is minus, this one only will be minus. So from first part, from previous page, we have 2a squared plus 2ab plus 2b squared minus 2a minus 2b equal to 0. So 2a squared plus 2ab plus 2b squared minus 2a minus 2b equal to 0. Now we want to use the identity we've learned here. So I write it a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, one part, plus a squared minus 2a plus 1 plus b squared minus 2b plus 1. But we don't have two ones on left hand side, so we should add two ones to right hand side, which is 2. Now let's write left hand side as sum of perfect square. First one is a plus b squared, second one is a minus 1 squared, third one is b minus 1 squared equal to 2. So because they are perfect square, the only possible case is 1, 1, 0. And if you want to check, you have three cases to check. Which of them is 0? It is 0, it is 1, 1. It is 1, it is 0, it is 0. I'm sorry, it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. From first case, a plus b is 0, a minus 1 is plus minus 1, b minus 1 is plus minus 1. So, if we want to check from here, a will be 1 plus 1, 2, or 0, 0 or 2. In this case, also b is 0 or 2. A plus b is 0, so the only possible case for this one is a equal b equal 0. So it is for first case. Now let's check another case. If you want to check another case, this one. We know a minus 1 is 0, a is 1. And again, b minus 1 is plus minus 1, so b is 0 or 2. A plus b again is also, we can say, plus minus. So do we have any case? 1, 0 is good. Okay, so from this case, we conclude A is 1, B is 0. Okay, and if you check, it is 1, it is 0, it is 1. The third case is similar to second case, only we should switch A and B. So if I want to write third case, A is 0 and B is 1. It is our third case. So we found three different answers for this problem, but we should check. The denominator shouldn't be 0. A squared minus B squared. So in the first case, it is bad. In second case and third case, it will be good. And if we check 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, it will be 1, it will be 1. 0, 1, it will be negative 1, negative 1. Negative 1 over negative 1 is 1. So we found two answers for this problem. A1, B0 and A0, B1. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number and please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell, like the video. Thanks. Bye.